Welcome back to Car Look. Today, the 2026 Mazda CX-50. Built to blend urban refinement with outdoor ruggedness, the CX-50 enters 2026 with more tech, slight design tweaks, and even better on- and off-road capabilities. It's a vehicle for drivers who want style, performance, and practicality in one package, without having to sacrifice driving enjoyment or upscale design. The design of the 2026 CX-50 remains faithful to Mazda's signature Kodo design language, but with enhancements that make it look even more athletic and outdoorsy. It's wide and low for a crossover, giving it a planted stance that immediately sets it apart from most rivals in the compact SUV segment. The front grille is now more defined, with a new gloss black mesh pattern that adds to its bold face. The updated LED headlights are slimmer and now feature a dynamic lighting signature that brings a modern edge to its front profile. The hood is long and slightly domed, giving the vehicle a muscular presence from every angle. On the sides, the 2026 CX-50 showcases strong body lines and squared-off fender flares that emphasize its rugged capabilities. It rides on 18 or 20-inch alloy wheels depending on trim, and those black cladding details around the wheel arches, side skirts, and bumpers reinforce the adventurous character. Roof rails come standard, and Mazda has designed them to be strong enough to carry bikes, kayaks, or rooftop tents. Around back, the taillights are also slimmer for 2026, with a more refined LED pattern that enhances its sleek rear end. The bumper design has been updated as well, with integrated reflectors and dual exhaust outlets that subtly hint at its sporty nature. Inside, the 2026 Mazda CX-50 is a showcase of craftsmanship and smart simplicity. The cabin is spacious, well-organized, and feels more premium than you'd expect for the price. Mazda continues to use high-quality materials like soft-touch plastics, stitched leatherette, and optional genuine leather, creating a truly upscale atmosphere. The dashboard remains clean and horizontal with minimal distractions and intuitive controls. The centerpiece is a new 12.3-inch infotainment display that now supports both touchscreen functionality, when stopped, and the rotary dial for safe use while driving. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with a wireless charging pad and available head-up display. The instrument cluster combines analog dials with a digital screen that shows navigation, safety alerts, and vehicle data clearly. The front seats are supportive and now feature available ventilation along with heating, while the rear seats offer great legroom and reclining functionality, a nice touch for long road trips. Cargo space remains generous, and with the rear seats folded, the CX-50 can handle weekend gear or grocery hauls with ease. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-50 offers two powertrains. The standard is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine making around 180 to 200 horsepower, great for everyday driving with solid efficiency, but the real excitement comes with the available 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering up to 256 horsepower and 320 lp-ft of torque when using premium fuel. That engine transforms the CX-50 into a genuinely fun-to-drive crossover, especially when paired with Mazda's intelligent i-Activ all-wheel drive system that comes standard across all trims. The ride and handling are where the CX-50 really separates itself. Thanks to its wide track and well-tuned suspension, it feels more like a sports sedan than a high-riding SUV. Steering is sharp and responsive, body roll is minimal in corners, and the overall driving experience is smooth yet engaging. Mazda also includes off-road and towing modes, giving you added confidence on dirt trails, snow-covered roads, or when pulling a small trailer. The CX-50 is rated to tow up to 3,500 pounds with the turbo engine. Impressive for its class. Fuel economy is solid too, with the base engine delivering around 27 mpg combined, and the turbo version achieving roughly 25 mpg. Excellent. On top of that, Mazda equips the CX-50 with its full suite of i-Activ Sense safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and emergency braking. New for 2026 is a surround view monitor with off-road camera angles, making tricky terrain easier to navigate. Pricing for the 2026 CX-50 starts at around $30,000, 0 cents for the base model and climbs to about $42,000. 0 cents for the top tier turbo trims with all the options. It's a great value considering the level of quality, performance, and refinement you get. Whether you're commuting to work or planning a weekend escape, the CX-50 delivers versatility, confidence, and class. Thanks for watching Car Look. If the 2026 Mazda CX-50 looks like your kind of crossover, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss our next review. We'll see you in the next video.